So, yung sa top is nag-settle down. Nag-shrink na yung sa top, no? But actually, mahapdi siya, no? Dito sa taas. Because I still put on kasi medyo still, ano pa siya, pula-pula. But it can also help to still continue to put the ointment kasi it helps to minimize the scar, I think. Wow, ayun yung snow pala slowly melt yung snow sa window. Kumunti siya. Hala. Ivy here. I noticed that the leaves are getting bigger. They look more healthier. And it was in the laundry area where not so much sunlight there. Only in the morning. Not so much sunlight sa laundry area, no? Only in the morning. The sunrise is by that side. But here, ayan, the whole from morning to afternoon, mayroong sunlight because of that window there. So I think it will be better for ivy plant that I moved there. Remember only the yesterday. So ito yung breakfast. Sausage kasi meron pa akong may sausage but I only use half, and hash brown shredded frozen and egg. Kain ako ng breakfast, no? Kailangan kong mag-watch sa killer. And I'm gonna go black. Magba-black coffee ako. So, nandito na yung grinded coffee. And just shake kasi para to yun, nakukuha niya yung mga maliliit. And then I will put in the filter here and weighing scale na 55. So, dapat 55. I think kulangin to. We'll see. 40, 50, 3, 4. Oh my God, na 61 siya. Kunin ko lang ng konti. Ilagay ko dito sa ano. Balik ko dito. Ayan. So, 55. Ito na yung sausage. Nandito na sa griller. And shredded hash brown. Para talaga ma-even yung ating pagluluto nito. Kasi i-flip siya eh. Para maano yung side na nag-brown na. I-stir ko lang kay sabi ni Mr. It's nice when ma-stir mo siya para mabasa yung ibang side. Diba? I-unload ko na yung malinis na dishes. Ubus na yung tubig. Oh, meron pa yan. Wala na dito. But then, in the inside. Ayan. Ayan, tumigil na. Wala na. Then, sa compost bin to, tinatapon, no? But, dyan muna ilalagay. Mainit pa kasi pag ilagay sa ano, sa compost. So, ayan na. Tanggalin ko lang ito. Yung lid. Ayan. Let's have coffee. No sugar, no coffee mate. Just black coffee. Para rin to kay Master. Mamaya, iinom din yun ng kape. Hindi masyadong ano, no? Tight. Yan lang. Wipe ito dito. Kasi naglilib yan ng ano, kape. Mahilig kasi ako sa mainit, no? And tea and instant coffee. And ito lang palagi kong ginagamit, no? Yung kettle na to. Na stainless. Ngayon, hindi na gumagana. There's gonna be a blue light here. But it didn't light. And it's not even heating up. For how many years na tong, ano na to? Sunbeam. Yung brand na stainless. How did it get broken? I just used this yesterday. Ano, nag-dry na kasi siya, no? Basta once mag-dry na yan, pwede na yan siya tanggalin. Yung pimple, kasi ang dami kong pimple dito banda ba? Sa may chin, ang dami kong pimple dyan. Pati dito sa lips, around the lips. Dito talaga sila sumusulpot. Huwag yun na ako siya gituyo. Good. Nasira good siya. It's broken. Hindi ako mabubuhay na walang kettle. Walang pag-initan ng tubig. Wala rin akong takuri. Tanggalin ko na to eh. Another winter wonderland. Shower ko dyan sa may ground din para sa dog area. Dog for potty. Nagluto na ako na scrambled egg. And then kuha ko ng green onions dito kung mayroon ba. Meron naman. Yung chives dito. Liit pa ng chives. Pero palaki na yung chives. Ay, ayan yung chives. Ang liit ng isa. Ay nako. Ito yung lalagay ko sa itlog. Sabay lang ako kakain eh, Mr. At wala pa naman siya. Magsashovel muna ako. Took. And then, gloves. Oh my gosh. Ang dami so. You stay in here. Anong malamig. Sakto lang. Ayan, oh. Nagsusnow pa naman. Nagsusnow pa man. Uy. Gutom ako. Ayan. Nag-clear ako din dyan. Papunta sa dun sa garbage. Kasi dyan ako nagtatapon ng tae nila. So, dyan lang stairs papunta doon. And dogs can pee or poop. Shovel at the backyard. Matig na siya. Sakto. Yan na. Gutom na ako. Tapos na kami mag-dinner, mag-breakfast pala. Merong duck sa sa dalawang, hindi pala duck, no? May dalawang geese. Geese or goose? I'm not sure kung babae or lalaki ba yan, no? But there's two of them. There's a pond. At for sure nag-ice yan, no? And, guys, may nakita kong springtails dito sa aming mga soil. So, ang dami niyang springtails. And then, I look up on the internet or Google. Ano kasi daw? Marami dahil daw sa moisture. Maybe next few days kasi warm na, no? So, ililipat ko na yan. Ang laki na ng petunia. It is still snowing, buddy. Yeah, I shoveled this morning and there's more snow. Well, not so much snow, maybe on the way home. It's too late. Oh, here it is. Look at this. It's so nice. Yeah, this is the main street in Erdry. We can see lots of big trees here as it's older street. Look at that. Probably more nicer in the Nose Creek Park, which is back there behind this building here, Tower Lane. Yeah, lots of big trees here. Already melted. New Hamilton Beach. And here it is. Tutro ko yung water sa first boil. Kasi grabe yung boil niya. So now I have to see kung mag-auto shut off siya. Hindi na naglight yung isang bulb. Ito. And then, ito try ko tong Eco Max na bathroom cleaner. Kasi, gusto ko mag-try ng mga eco na cleaning products. Kasi yung 2 liter namin na cleaning products is almost emptied na yung bottle and I don't want to use them anymore. So, now I'm buying bottles, like yung spray bottle. Meron akong i-use every other use na natural lang siya na product, which is this. Sa lang to siya, no? Sa bathroom. Pero yung all-purpose cleaner, I might kind of look same brand like that. Ayan, nagbuboil na siya, guys. It looks scary ba kasi nagsishake siya. So what I'm trying to wait is mag-stop siya ba? Oh, here it is. Nag-shut off naman siya automatically. So yeah. Si Mr. pala nagkanang siya. Snow blow. Yung snow is Nag-melt konti. Front, but not so much, no, but heavy snow na siya kasi bumigat na yung snow ba, naging parang siyang ice kung it's magtitina ako. Here's my tea. Parang madami yung ginamit ko na water, no, but I will just throw some of this kasi para maiwas lime scale and iwas, you know, like stain sa bottom, is remove talaga yung ang init. Ano talaga siya, no? Ito pala siya hawakan dito. This is weird. Mainit siya. Holy moly. Ito siya hawakan dito. Ayan. So, para iwas lime scale and stain sa bottom, leave it open. And no water inside. So, yan. Ay, maglalaba pala ako ng aking damit today. So guys, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So mag-rest lang ako ng saglit and then lalaba. So update ko kayo mamaya guys. Bye for now. Let's have a tea. And I haven't slept yet because we have an appointment and then pumunta ng store and 10 a.m. kasi yung appointment. So, gising talaga yan. Pagaling pa yan trabaho kaninang gabi. Then, nag-lunch kami. Burger at fries. Isang burger ako, no? So, I'm not gonna eat dinner. Well, I eat something or just drink something. But I'm not gonna eat, guys. Kasi, lumaki na naman ang tiyan ko. Sa burger at fries. Yan yung ano ko. Worst na makakapag-gain weight talaga. So, yan. Update ko kayo mamaya. Hi guys, it's 4 p.m. na, no? Maganda yung araw this afternoon. Kasi, ang sikat ng araw. Grabe. Yung snow sa deck na-melt na, but yung snow dito sa ground, wala pa naman nag-melt, no? So, nag-melt na. Ayan, nagpupo sila. PDI. Okay, come on! Come on! Don't eat the snow. Why are you eating snow? What is eating the snow? Uy! Why are you eating snow? You like the snow? Look at the snow! Oh, yay! I like snow. Oh. You like snow? You like snow, bud? You like snow? Are you pooping? That looks like a poop. That looks like a poop. The other one here is bark. Elsa!